I am Bhavani from Rishi's Aarki Rasoi. Today my menu is, it comes under kids menus category, and I'm going to make mixed vegetable rasam and then a spinach combination. Spinach, I'm going to make that drumstick spinach, and I'll show you when I do it, because all these items are very very nutritive, and the cooking I'm going to show you today is also very very nutritious, and I hope that every mother can try for the kids and they will also like it, and it's very very nutritious, and I think the children will like it. And now first I have made the vegetable stock. You know, vegetable stock is being made by cutting the vegetables into this much small sizes, pieces, and slightly giving it a boil. And then you have to put it in the blender and then blend it. Now this is just because I'm going to use as a rasam. I have even blended along with half tomato, just to give the taste. Now to this I'll be adding only dal water. I have already boiled 2 dal. Now to this I'll be adding only dal water. Just maybe a half a cup dal water, just to add taste to it. And then I'll be adding rasam powder, just half teaspoon. And then I'll be adding for the thika, that is karam, I'm going to add only pachamolga, that is green chilies and ginger, along with some chopped tomatoes. This tomato is hardly a small tomato, which I have chopped it into this type of pieces. And then I'm going to add to this. And as usual, we will be adding little coriander for the flavor. Now I'll be adding salt. Now here, as the regular rasam will be, we add lot of rasam powder, and then we add, at the end we add some pepper powder. But here I am adding only half teaspoon and ginger and green chilies. This is because I am going to make it as a pure lime rasam, vegetable lime rasam, and so I have to add only lime, and lime rasam always goes very well with chilies and ginger. So that's why I have taken that flavor. So now I will get back to you and present you the spinach procedures after I finish this. Now the combination which I am going to do is of, this is called Murunga Keera in Tamil, and this is drumstick spinach. Very very highly nutritious and rich in iron content, and you will see that in the south mostly the people, they use this in some form or other at least once in a week. So this is the frequency they use in south. So I request my North Indian friends also to try this, because it is very very nutritious and it is slightly sour. So that only you have to take care. And this I have to cook in the combination of moong dal and coconut. And I have already soaked the moong dal, just of one big spoon, one big katori. I have already soaked it, and that also I will be adding it now after seasoning. Now this I will season it along with mustard seeds. Mustard seeds, and then with urad dal and 2 red chilies, just to add, make it spicy. Just 2 red chilies. As I told you, that if you add the urad dal as soon as you put the mustard seeds, once the urad dal gets reddened, then only the mustard seeds will splutter. So both your purpose is served, and this I follow it after my friend's advice. This is what I follow while seasoning this. Now after seasoning this, once the mustard seeds splutter, then I will be adding this soaked moong dal. This you have to soak at least for 1 hour. Because moong dal, again, it is rich in protein. This is better than any other pulses. After this, along with that, now I have washed this spinach. I'll be adding this. Now this has to cook along with the moong dal, and once the moong dal becomes soft and this spinach gets fully mixed up with the moong dal, then I'll be adding salt. Because before that, we will not know the quantity. This will reduce, any spinach when you boil it or you fry it, this gets reduced to a small quantity. And so you will not know what is the quantity of the spinach, and so I wait till it is cooked. And so once it is cooked, I'll be adding fresh coconut. Fresh coconut I'll be adding. So once this is cooked, I'll come back to you and I'll show you the stages. Now this is the stage I have to add coconut in this sabji. This is very well cooked, and moong dal should not be overcooked, so that and then only it will taste very nice. So now I have to add coconut at this stage. This in Tamil we call Murugakkeera Sundal. Sundal in the sense that we reduce it to a semi-solid constituency. So this is where I should stop. So now my keera is over. Now coming to the rasam part of it, I have already added the dal water up to this level, and now I'll be adding small chopped tomatoes and then my half boiled vegetables which I have kept it ready. And after seasoning it, I will be adding lemon juice. I told this is lime vegetable rasam, and so I won't be adding, I have not added tamarind in this. So I will be adding only lime juice after I season it. And generally for seasoning for the rasam, we use only mustard seeds and curry leaves. Now this is the nutritious lime mixed vegetable rasam and drumstick spinach poriyal. Now I told you the nutritive value of both the items, and this I would like at least people who are having small kids should try this rasam because it's very tasty, and elders also can try as a soup. Even as a soup they can try. They can try even with hot rice. Anything they can do it. So if you like the recipe, please come back to me with your comments, and if you like it, please subscribe and comment definitely on it, which I am very, very eager to know that. Thank you so much. Jai Sai Ram.